Hello, this is Oxxy here. This is Nadia Shineva speaking. I'm marketing manager at the Oxxy company. I apologize for my accent. I'm not a native speaker, and I hope that this won't be a problem for you. With this video course, I'd like to present you Oxxy website builder and show you how to create your proper website. In order to do that, first you should create your account through the Start Now Free button, which will lead you to our ready-to-use design templates. You have to choose a template like that. So you will be redirected to our sign up page. Here you have three possibilities to sign up through an email, through your Facebook profile, or through your Google account. In this case, we are going to use a webmail registration like that. I'm going to put a test password. You should agree with our terms of use and privacy policy. You should choose to agree or not to receive our marketing messages, and you have to press the sign up button in order to enter in the builder platform. Now we are already in the builder. You can see that the system has already loaded the web design template we have chosen. Before starting to work on your website, don't forget that if you meet some difficulties to build your website, you can always access our help center from here, and you can watch one of our video tutorials, or you can read the other tutorials on our website. Of course, we are always ready to help you throughout our live chat. You can send us in every moment your questions and requests. Now we are going to return to the builder because I'd like to show you the main menus and functionality of our platform. From the right menu, you can manage all your website, because through one account you can create more than one website. Here from this button you can create your new website. Of course, you have to choose a design template. You can use one of the ready designs, or you can start from scratch here from a blank page. I'd like to choose this one. Select. Then you have to specify if you'd like right away to activate a subscription plan, or you're going to start with the free account. I'm selecting the free account, and here it is. I have activated in the builder platform a new website. You can easily switch from a site to site from this menu. Each website here has its own menu. Here are the site settings, site preview icon, the save site icon, and publish website button. When you click to site settings, you can manage from here the site settings of the site settings. Here you can change the name of the website. For example, test website. This is the name which is not visible for external users. This is a name only that you are going to use. From here now you can see that when you use the free registration, you are using our subdomain. In this case is webmediacompass.oxxy.com test. From this button you can buy a domain, or you can connect or transfer a domain both from another platform. I'm going to show you how you can do this. You can upgrade your package from here. There are some SEO options that you can set up. You can put a favicon, you can activate your mobile website or e-commerce model, which is a different model which will be linked to the main website if you'd like to activate it. And here is the most important button, OK. When you make changes in the site settings, you have always to remember these settings, because otherwise they won't be registered in the website. From here you can delete your website and it won't be anymore here in this list. And from site history, you can return to each version you registered during your work on the website. Every time you click on the Save Site button, here you have a different version which is registered, and it is very useful for our users, because if they make an error or if they prefer to return to a previous version, they have everything kept here in the site history. Now I'm going to show you the account settings. You can access them from here, from this icon. The first category are the subscriptions. From here you can upgrade your subscription plan. Then you have your domains. From here you can search from a new domain name and see if it is available, and eventually buy it. From here you can manage your subdomain. From here, for this case it is Web Media Compass. I can change its name, and when you buy or transfer or a domain name, you can see it here. Then you have your mailboxes. Each subscription plan includes number of mailboxes. You can activate them and make all the settings and manage them. Of course, the mailboxes are connected to your domain. Billing and payments, or the invoices you receive, you can see them and check them here. Personal data. This information is very important, because the invoice the system issue for each transaction include the personal data you register here. We can return to the main dashboard. Now I'm going to show you the left menu, from which you can manage your website pages. From here, I repeat, you can manage your website, and from the left menu the single pages of a single website. You have the same button here as from the right menu, create page. We are going to create a test page, and you can see it here in the right menu. Each page has its own settings. You can delete a page, create a page, or you can make sub-pages. For example, this test page that we have just created, I made it by using drag and drop functionality. I made it a sub-page of this one, necklaces. I would like to show you in the preview mode how it will look like. Here I saw that necklaces doesn't exist here in the visualization in the main menu, so it is hidden. This means that it is hidden from the menu. You can see I used the settings button, and here there is this check box, hide from menu. I'm going to unhide it so you can see it right now. I'm going to the site preview option and you can see the subpage test, but in this case you see that there is not suitable background. It is transparent, so I have to change it in order to can read here what is written. Now I'm going to show you how to do that, how to put a background of the sub menu. You should go to the element menu and from the style button you should put here a background. In this case the checkbox is not checked. This means that there is no background, it is transparent. We want to make put the same background as this element because only this way there won't be a difference between the two backgrounds of the menu element and of the element which is situated below. To do this, I should go to the style icon of the element above and I should copy the exact parameters of the background. Here it is. So I'm going to transfer these parameters here in the menu element. Color, I made copy paste. Okay, now I have the same background, so I can show you in the preview mode. Here it is. You can see that we put a background of the submenu. We are returning to the platform. The last menu I'd like to show you is this one, which contains all the elements we can use on your website. You have a text window. You can enter here your text, and of course you have all the settings necessary to manage this element. You have an image window, of course. Each element has its own menu. From here, from settings, you can change the image by accessing our file manager. This is the file manager. From here you can load your images and after that use them on the website. And from here you can link the image, for example, to a site page, to a web address, to an email, or to a file uploaded in our media library. Then I'm going to delete these elements. Then you have galleries. This is a slideshow. You can use a media. You can introduce videos, for example, from YouTube. Store, this button is to activate your online store. You can use and include in your website various buttons. You can change their style as you want. You can link them to site pages, again to web pages, emails and files from the media library. You can implement your social profiles, and you can use different shapes as elements for your website. Again, I'm going to delete all these elements and we can start to build our website. Now I'm going to show you how to build a company website from the beginning. Here you are. You have to select a template from our gallery. I'm using the free account. Here it is the design. Now the first more important thing is to structure your menu, pages and sub-pages. When you have already the structure, it will be much easier to fill in every single page. Considering that I'm going to build a company website, I have chosen to have 4 main pages: homepage, about us, contacts and services. So now I'm going to build them. Another important thing that you should take into consideration when building the pages and the sub-pages. Now I should create a new page, services. You should decide if the new page should repeat one of the designs of the already existing web pages. So at this moment I have this template for the home page, and it is normal that the home page is different from the other pages. And for the new page, services, I prefer to use the same template as the page about. So create page, I'm put its title services. Okay, now you can see that I have created it without choosing another template. So when you create a blank page, it repeats the basic template layout. But considering that I need to repeat the template of about page, these page services that I have created, I'm going to delete it. Then I'm going to duplicate about page and simply rename it services. Now I'd like to create 3 sub-pages of services, like that. Create page. I will name it marketing strategy, like that. Here, to be more precise what type of services will be the website, I will put consultancy services, like that. Another subpage of consultancy services, it will be change management, and the third one will be corporate finance. I have to structure them to be subpages of consultancy services. After that, consultancy services, I will put it under home. Then I'm going to make a little correction to the name of the next page, about us, and contacts, I will keep it as it is. Now let's check if everything is okay with our menu, pages and subpages. We see here that instead of seeing the page contacts, we see this sign more. This means that you should make the menu a little bit larger, and you can see that our page contacts has appeared here. Let's check everything on the preview mode. Homepage, consultancy services, marketing strategy, change management and corporate finance has the same background layout. About us,
and contacts. So everything is okay. Now we can start filling the information in the different pages. We are going to do that starting by the home page. Let's put here consultancy services. Here we can put simply services. These are the previews of the subcategories of the services category. So I'm going to fill in the information that I have already prepared in another file. With copy paste, I'm going to transfer the text, keeping the already designed font in this template. Like that. Now I'm filling in the second preview. Like that. The text on the buttons, I'm going to leave them, but I should link them to the respective pages. But let's finish to fill in all the text on the page. Okay, we are ready. So when the users click on this button, they should go to the subpage marketing strategy and so on with the other buttons. So how can I link this button to the subpage? From its settings menu, I choose settings, link to site page, and I choose the page marketing strategy. I'm doing the same for the other buttons. Here I should link this button to the subpage change management, and here I should link it to corporate finance. Here I don't have a special web page that is corresponding to mission and vision, so I can delete these buttons because I don't need them. Now I'm going to the preview mode to check if everything is okay. The text is filled in, it's okay. Let's try the button. Yes, we opened the marketing strategy subpage. Let's try the other button. Yes, we are at change management page, and here a few more corporate finance. Yes, we are at corporate finance page. We return to the website builder. Now I'd like here to change the logo to show you how you can do that. By settings, change image. I choose an already uploaded image, but you can upload your image in every moment by here to the library, like that. So you can see that it's too big. We have to adjust it like that, and we have to reposition the company name and company slogan. Company name, I'm going to put Oxxy Ltd. As company slogan, let's put online EU. Of course, I put here only test slogan and names, only to show you how it will looks like. So I can say that our homepage is absolutely ready, and we can proceed with the other pages. If we go to the consultancy services page, you can fill your text as I have already showed you, and if you don't like these images, you can change them with the ones you have. The same is valid for the About Us page. You can fill in your information. I would like to explain you something about the contacts page. Here you have the contact form through which your customer can contact you or send you a request. You can customize these areas here. At this moment there are email, name, phone and message, but you can add, for example, subject or address. You can customize these areas through which request information about your customers. Then from the contact form settings, you can customize the send button. You can put your text, send a request, for example. You have to insert the email to which you'd like to receive the customer request, and you should specify your thank you message, which appears after the user sent his requests. So here how you can manage the contact form. Under the contact form you have the Google map. You can customize it, you can put your address, and you can add some additional settings as center to address, share your location, center, marker, like that, center to address. But of course you can move your Google map and position it the way you like it. You can choose different views: road map, satellite map, hybrid. It depends on you and on your preferences. Here, of course, you can put your address, telephone number, and all the necessary information you need to communicate to your users. For example, we can put this address here. I'm going to choose the same font, like that. Contacts. Here I'm going to add phone. we can adjust here the window, the text window. To be centered. Let's go to the preview mode. Here I'm going to try to align it to the text, to the contact form, like that. Let's see that it's better. Yes, it's much better. Here, title for section, we can delete this element. We are going to save all the changes that we have done on the website. And here it is. The contacts page is ready. This is how you can build easily your website. So I'd like that this video course was useful for you. If you have questions or need of help to build your website with Oxxy platform, don't hesitate to contact us through our live chat, email or phone number.